In today's FX futures markets, let's take a look at the Japanese yen futures as they're recovering today. Yen futures coming off of some selling pressure yesterday to trade higher today, and with today's price action, we're nearing 3-month highs here as the market's pushing back up towards the close from 2 sessions ago, which was the highest close since the early December. Currently right around the 67.3 handle, so we're just below that. So basically where we closed 2 sessions ago, we did see an intraday high. That was a new high for 2025 before giving up a little ground here. But overall, maintaining upward price action. Driving factors today, a couple things influencing the market. It appears one of the primary drivers, though, is U.S. data driven, as we got consumer confidence this morning coming in below expectations, following consumer sentiment data last week, which was below expectations. We're seeing service sector data slowing as well. So there is concern now that the U.S. economy is beginning to slow. And with that, we're seeing yields now moving to the lowest levels in several months, with treasuries moving higher today. And that's creating, I think, some headwind for the dollar here, at least short term. And with that, you're seeing most of the major FX futures markets higher. Now, in the yen's case, continuing to maintain upward momentum here, moving up towards the highest level for 2025, which also corresponds with the highest level since early December, so just under 3-month highs. And we're seeing most of the major FX futures markets moving higher, particularly when you look at the Euro, the British pound, the yen, and the Swiss franc, all higher today. The Canadian dollar and the Australian dollar under some pressure. But when you look at the yen continuing to maintain upward momentum, we're also seeing the British pound going to the highest levels today, going back to the middle of December, so a little over 2-month highs. So some higher price action in several major FX futures markets today, with the yen continuing to maintain upward momentum.